REALME UI 7.0 is finally out and it's now slowly rolling out to all the devices on the 3 lists. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to check for the update when it's going to come out and all the devices that it's going to come out for. So now I will cut to the intro. Okay, so first to check if REALME UI 7.2 is out or not, first open settings on your phone and then scroll down and go to system update and then go to the software update and then choose this option right here and beta program and check here. Wait, if there are no test versions, then go back and check for the stable update. If there are, then enter your email, enter your info so they can send you the update. Go back here, version up to date. This update is going to slowly roll out for all devices in all regions. I'm using Realme 15 Pro for this right here, and as you can see, the update has not came out yet, but is going to come out soon. So now, the most important part of the video. When is the update going to come out? So first, I have this image right here. This is the fourth half of 2025. We are currently in December, which is the fourth half of 2025. These are the devices that are going to get it. So first, we start with GTA 7 Pro. This list is not the rollout time. It's not in order. These are just all the phones that will have it soon. So first we have Realme GT7 Pro, GT7, GT7 Dream Edition, GT7T, GT6T, GT6, Realme P3 5G. All of these will be getting Realme UI 7.2 soon in this month. Now we have Realme 14T 5G, Realme 15 Pro 5G. This is what I'm using. Realme P4 Pro, Realme 15 Pro Plus 5G, Realme P3 Pro 5G, Realme P3 Ultra 5G, Realme 14 Pro 5G, and then we will have Realme Narzo 80 Pro 5G. Someone accidentally typed REALME instead of Realme, but this is the official list right here. This right here from Realme Community Official Administrator. This is an administrator right here. This is the official list right here. There we will go here. This is the first phase. Now we go back to the image. So this is the fourth half of 2025. This is the end of this right here. Go to the Realme 15 5G. This will get it. Realme P4 5G, this will get it in 2025 Q4, which is December, last half of 2025. And then we have Realme 12 Pro 5G, Realme 12 Pro 5G, Realme P1 Pro 5G, Realme 13 Plus 5G, Realme 13 Pro 5G, and then let's go here. Realme P2 Pro 5G, Realme P3X 5G, Realme Narzo 80X 5G, Realme C75 5G, Realme P3 Lite 5G, Realme C73 5G, Realme Narzo 80 Lite 5G, and then right here Realme 14X 5G, Realme 12 5G, Realme Narzo 70X 5G, Realme 12X 5G, Realme C65 5G, Realme Narzo 85 5G, Realme C63 5G, and lastly Realme 13 5G. This right here is the first phase of the rollout. Now for the next phase, which is the first half of 2026. So we will get Realme 13 Plus 5G. It will get the update, and then Realme Narzo 70 Turbo 5G will get it, and then Realme P1 speed 5G will get it, and then Realme 12 5G will get it, and then the Realme Narzo 70 Pro 5G will get it, and Realme Narzo 75G, and the Realme P1 5G, and the Realme 15T. The entire Realme 15T family will get it. The entire Realme 15T will get it. Realme 15T is the cheaper version. Realme 15T is the cheaper version of the Realme 15 and 15 Pro, but it will still get it. Realme 15X 5G will get it. And then for the last list right here, this right here is a very short list. So first we will start with this C series right here. Narzo and C will both get it. Realme C71, Realme C63, Realme C62, Realme Narzo 80 Lite, Realme Narzo N63, Realme Narzo N61. All of these will get Android 16 Realme UI 7.0. Now I will show you some features for the update. So first we will start with the brand new Misty Control Center. So as you can see, this is what the control center will look like on Realme UI 7.2. It's very similar to the iPhone 26, iOS 26 liquid glass. As you can see, this is what iOS 26 liquid glass looks like. This is what it looks like. This is what the control center looks like. As you can see, Realme UI 7.2 will have the same control center. It's very similar. It's gonna be called Misty Glass Control Center. And then over here we have the brand new Ice Cube icons. So first we will start with the Realme Notes app. It will have this brand new pencil icon, and then the clock app will have this brand new icon, and then this right here, I don't know what this is. I think it's wallet app. I don't know what it is. Wallet app, Realme UI 7.2. This might be it. Realme UI 7.2 wallet app. As you can see, there is going to be a brand new Realme UI, Realme Wallet. This is a very smart way to manage everything. This is Realme Wallet right here. This is Realme Wallet. This was introduced right here in 2025. And also something new. There is the new Realme Dialer. Realme Dialer is finally here. It got replaced. The Google Dialer got replaced. It's now this Realme Dialer. And finally the mini capsule. This right here, mini capsule, as you can see, this right here finally has the ability to show calls. I can't show it right now. I can't show it because I can't call while recording. Realme UI 7.2 has a brand new calling function in the mini capsule. As you can see, this is brand new info. This info is still coming out. Realme UI 7.2 is very new. It's still rolling out. Realme Dialer right here, I will show it to you right here, but I can't call. This is what the Realme Dialer looks like. You can view contacts here, you can call contacts, you can type number. This is a movement from the old Google Dialer. Realme now has its own Dialer app. Now next up we have 3 brand new wallpapers. So we have this green one, this grey one, and this blue one, and we have a fingerprint animation, and we have this liquid glass breathing look. This is just liquid glass. This is what the home screen looks like. The wallpapers right here didn't include the green one. As you can see, this is a green wallpaper. REALME UI 7.2 looks very good. Now let's move on to some more features. This right here is a very cool feature. We have the multitask sidebar. Maximum 12 apps can be on the sidebar. You can have multiple apps right here open at the same time. And then we have the phone app. You can instantly connect your Realme and iPhone ecosystems, answer calls, receive texts, and get app notifications in real time, so you never miss a thing. Call and message sharing too, and touch to share. As you can see, you can tap a Realme phone with an iPhone and it will instantly share files using O+ Connect. You can very easily connect to your PC. I'm not using this right now. I'm instead using Scrapy, which is still good, but there is an official PC Connect feature. There's clipboard sharing, and there is a brand new Flux Engine 3 smooth with no comprise. As you can see, very smooth animation right here, ultra realistic motion, very smooth. This gives Flux animation work all scenario same experience, stable and smooth gaming experience, and less frame drops with Flux Booster. Now next we have separate audio output and Theft Protection 6, and we have live alerts, which is basically just mini capsule but improved. Live alert 7. As you can see, concert tickets, scramble alarm, very easy, very good to use feature, very easy to use. I'm actually using live alerts right now on REALME UI 6. This right here is it, the mini capsule, and DIY your own personal interface. You can stretch out the clock. You don't have to use themes now. You can stretch out your clock. You can type text. You can do many things now. You can add widgets. This looks very similar to iPhone lock screen. With AI dynamic dips, iPhone has this feature and now Realme does. As you can see, it's going right over the clock. It's a very cool feature. There's AI image generator. There's Flux Scene 2.0. You can have live wallpapers that move like this. You can have full screen always on display. And Flux Desktop. You can drag to resize apps, which makes them into widgets. And then you have adjust app colors. Flux Scene 2.0 is right here. Way more features. You can now actually add app widgets like iPhone. You don't have to choose from 2 apps. You can have multiple apps on your lock screen. And then we have this fingerprint animation we talked about it. You can have from photo to animation, customize your own fingerprint. And now we have Yahoo theme and icons. You can make your icons look like this. Next, AI imaging, AI efficiency, AI gaming, AI image, AI framing master, AI portrait glow. These are all the features right here. AI planner 2, AI mind space 4. These are very good features in REALME UI 7.2. Another very cool feature right here is window reply. While playing games, as you can see, AI generates these. You can press this button right here to reply. You can reply in game and AI highlight record. Right here is what the logo for the REALME UI 7.2 looks like. Now you might notice something different. If I search up REALME UI 6.2 logo, you will notice that REALME UI 6.2 has this logo right here. and it has multiple logos, and it also has this logo right here, which I'll show you. It has a logo right here in settings, software update. As you can see, it has this logo, but for REALME UI 7.0 they removed the .0, so now it's just 7. Now we have even more ice cube icons. These look very great. And the misty glass control center. This is a clearer image. Many things. The dock layout has been optimized. It has been optimized to improve the clarity and readability of the interface structure. And the misty glass control center. Right now, this is what the control center currently looks like, and this is what it's going to look like in the future when the update comes out. So now, let's talk about when this update is going to come out, what regions get it first. So, let's talk about this. So in Notepad, REALME UI 7.0, the first region to get it will be India. India usually gets updates first. China will also get it first. China will get it too. China will be one of the first to get it. The EU region will also get this very fast. A few months or weeks after other regions like Egypt, etc. will get it soon. They will get it very soon. These are many details about the updates. There are even more details. These are all the details about the brand new update. Subscribe, hit the like button and smash the subscribe button. These are all the details. Hopefully your device gets it and my device gets it. This is the end of the video. Ultimate Tech Helper is out.